Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 95, The Witr Prayer, hadith number 554, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Witr 1, Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Witr 2. Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The witr is not an obligation like the prescribed prayer, but it is the tradition of the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him. He said, Allah is single, whiter, and loves odd numbers. So do the whiter, people of the Quran." Hadith number 555, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Witr 4. Sahih Muslim, Salatul Musafirin, 151. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Make the witr the last of your prayers at night.